For those of you who are new to keyboard playing, or for those of you who took piano lessons so long ago that you've forgotten where the notes are, let me take some time to acquaint you with the layout of the instrument, and I'll show you a clever way to remember the names of the notes. Let's go. Now, first of all, why do we call it a keyboard? Well, if you remove the keyboard from an old-fashioned acoustic piano, you'll see that it's just a set of notes called keys sitting on a board. And there are black keys and white keys, a lot of them. Now, the keyboard as a whole might look confusing, but let's break it down like this. Imagine the keyboard is like a street in a new suburban neighborhood. You know those neighborhoods where there are only a few different styles of houses and they just keep repeating down the street? So the keyboard is like that, except there are only two styles of house that keep repeating, a small house and a large house. So imagine the small house has 3 sections to it on the main floor, corresponding to these 3 white notes. And it also has 2 black roof peaks on the top, which are the 2 black notes above. Now the large house has 4 main floor sections, so 4 white notes, and it has 3 black notes up above that are the roof peaks. If we zoom out again, we can see the pattern of houses on the street or on the keyboard. There's a small house, then a large house, small house, large house, small house, large house, and so on. To make it a little easier, let's bundle a small house and its neighbor to the right, the large house, together as a group called an octave. How many octaves do you have on your keyboard? If you're playing a 61-note keyboard, you likely have 5 octaves. If you're on a full-size keyboard or piano, you'll have 7 octaves plus a few extra notes. Okay, let me tell you something about our street or neighborhood here. It's on a hill. The houses on the left are at the bottom of the hill, and the ones on the right are at the top. So down at the bottom of the keyboard, we have low notes, also called bass notes, and they tend to sound deep and rumbly. And the notes at the top are called high notes or treble notes, and they tend to sound light and twinkly. So just to be clear, this house here is higher than this house here. And this note here is higher than this note here. And here's what it sounds like to sweep up the notes from low to high. Okay, let's have a closer look at each of the 2 houses. Remember, the smaller house has 3 sections to it. It has a carport on the left, a door in the middle, and an elevator on the right side. Yes, an elevator, to get up to the 2nd floor. We're going to use letters of the alphabet to name the white notes in front of each section. So the carport will be C because the word carport starts with C. The door will be D, and the elevator will be E. See where I'm going with this? Let's look at the large house. Remember, it has 4 sections. It has a front door on the left, a 2-car garage in the middle, and a balcony on the right. So here are the letters assigned to the white notes in front of it. The front door will be F. The 2-car garage will be G and A because those are the first 2 letters in the word garage. And the balcony will be a B. So all the white notes on the keyboard in every octave are going to be called by one of the first 7 letters of the alphabet from A to G. So let's look at them again. And the easiest way to remember the letter names of the notes is to picture the 2 houses in your mind. So the small house gets a C for carport, a D, that's the door, and E for the elevator. The large house gets F. That's the front door. It has the 2-car garage, G and A, and the balcony is B. Okay, that takes care of the white notes. In the next video, I'll show you how we name the black notes. I'll see you there. Hi, this is Steve from Play First Piano. Thanks for watching this free preview from Level 1 of my online piano course. Whether you're a beginner or not, if you want to learn how to play your favorite songs in a way that's easier, faster, and more fun than traditional piano lessons, then head over to playfirstpiano.com. You won't be playing scales, you won't be doing finger exercises, you don't even need to learn how to read music to play like Bruno Mars, Alicia Keys, Taylor Swift, Sarah McLachlan, Elton John, and countless other famous recording artists. Just click on the link below this video to find out more. I hope to see you there.